Okay, pag-isipan mabuti ang anong pangalan ng team. Okay, ano pangalan ng mga ladies? Ano po ang Willing? Ayan, Willing lang. Willing. Yeah. Okay, ano mga sir, kayo naman po ang? Sir, ano po ang? Big time dance. At ang mga Willing lang. Willing balik. Okay, simulan na natin. Huwag masyado mahigpit para hindi mo siya pumatok. Okay, ready, get set, go! How tayo? How about you? Huwag masyado mahigpit. How about you? How about you? Okay, for our next game, lahat ng kids, lapit dito sa harap. Sa lahat ng gusto sumali, lapit dito sa harap. Count ako ng 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, ngayon gawa tayo ng isang circle. Para magawa tayo ng circle, hawak-hawak tayo ng kamay. Okay. Circle tayo. Okay, ayusin natin yung circle. Ayusin natin yung circle, kids. Okay, hi! Hello! Help! Very good. Ang game natin is group yourself. Sabi ko ba yun? Very good. Kapag sinabi kong group yourself. Okay, group. Pag sabi kong group yourself into one. One muna. One. Pag sinabi ko naman group yourselves into two. Dapat, ayan, dapat meron kang pag-group. Kapag sinabi ko naman group yourselves into three. Ayan, dapat tatlo. Ang maginig muna, kapag wala kang ka-group, ibig sabihin out ka na sa internet. Okay, kids, so everybody jump muna. Okay, everybody jump.
Somebody call now.
Okay, everybody jump. Okay, jump. Group yourself into one. One muna. What? Okay, group yourself into three. Oh. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oy, out na si Angel. Thank you, Angel. Balik sa circle. Circle muna. kaya wag mo na yan. Okay, kids, group yours. Ako lang dapat yung nagsasalita. Ako muna yung nagsasalita. Okay, group yourself into one. Group yourselves into four. Okay. Wag mo na yung isa. Okay, pasok. Sino out dito? Out you said to me, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. Skip. Group yourself into one. Group yourselves into three. Oh, this is Sherry. Okay, group yourself into one. Into four. Okay, four. Sino out? Bakit na siya? Saka si Hayden. Okay, dito kayo. Okay, ayusin natin yung set.
Somebody call 911.
Okay. Group yourself into one. Group yourselves into five. Okay, up na si Jova. Okay, at saka si... Ayun, si Ate. Okay, 2, 4, 5. Circle. Okay, 10 na lang sila. Okay, kids, everybody jump. Group yourself into one. Okay, yung mga indie players, upo muna kayo. Upo muna. Ayusin natin yung circle. Ayan. Okay, group yourself into one. Group yourselves into two. Into one. Into three. Oh, si Ate. Okay, everybody jump. Jump. Hindi na jump out. Everybody jump. Jump. Group yourself into one. Into two. Fill out. Pinaka-blue. Okay, group yourself into one. Into three. Okay, after zero. Group yourself into one. Into four. Ha? Okay. Sabi ni Jewel, panalo na daw sila.
Somebody.
Okay, everybody jump. Okay, jump. 1, 2,